This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fold down these rear seats in your Tesla vehicle. So I got the Model Y here 2026, and if you look right here on the bottom left hand side, if we go and just pull this in, we can then pull down the seat. So there's going to be a little like ribbon right here. Just press this in or just pull it out, wherever, and then push down the seat at the same time. So you can see it's going to fold down like that, and then we can go to the other side and do the same thing. So you can see that right there. Let's go to the other side. And this one's going to be located on the right side, the outside by the door. So just pull this little ribbon out, and then pull it down. So look for that little ribbon by your left hand on the left side, and right hand on the right side, and you should be able to fold that seat down. So I think this middle option right here folds down independently too. So if we hold down the ribbon on the other side, let's go to the left side, I should be able to get this to pull down by itself, actually right there in the middle. So you can see that we just have to pull this out and it folds down independently. And what about the cup tray here? I believe there's a cup tray in here, right? Looks like there is not. I thought there was, so there it is right on the top. Okay, good. So you put your cups in there, and then you should be good to go. Just go ahead and look at that. Very easy to fold down.